Goats out. Goats out. No goats. Not. At least it's not here. Don't want to destroy the aesthetics of the place. Yeah. Excuse me. Sige, salamat. Oh, these shrimps, get out of there.
Ay, binigyan na yung coke niya, sir.
Ay, okay na. Teka. Yung sabaw, nainom niya? Nanakain niya? Yung sabaw?
Sabaw po na.
May ginawa kaming sabaw?
Ay, baka tinago po ni Gina, sir.
Ah, sige. Kainin na. Sim anghang. Nang? Ay, okay lang. Saan? Eh, kuhol ba yan? Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko alam kung kuhol eh. Ayan, sige. Sige, okay lang. Mahal yan eh. Pwede natin ibenta.